Dokita Bosa Science, Kwanuka Betty Science, Love ya Bosa Science, Truth in a beta, truth in omega, truth in alpha science, Love ya Bosa Science, Jagala Betty Science, Love ya Betty Science, truth in a beta, truth in alpha, truth in omega science. Dokita Bosa Science, Kwanuka Betty Science, Love ya Bosa Science, truth in a beta, truth in omega, truth in alpha science. Today we are going to study about a microscope. A microscope is an instrument used to magnify objects. For instance, this is how we would see an antenna of a cockroach without a microscope, a cockroach with a microscope. What we see is that with a microscope, the antenna looks bigger, but also you see more details with it than when without a microscope. Parts of a microscope. This is the microscope, this is the eyepiece, this is the coarse adjusting knob. It helps us focus the specimen. This is the fine adjusting knob, also helps us to focus the specimen. This is the stage where we place our specimen. This is the mirror, it focuses light through the specimen. This is an arm, it helps us to carry the microscope. When you are carrying a microscope, you must carry it with 2 hands because the microscope is very expensive and you don't want to lose it. This is the base, holds the microscope. This is a glass slide on which we put the specimen. This is a clip that holds the slide on which we place the specimen. A specimen is anything a biologist is carrying out investigation about. Specimen kye kintu kyonna biologist kyabagezaako okunoonyerezaako. This can be a flower, can be a leaf, it can be anything. So bwogera ku specimen manya nti ekyo omuntu biologist kyabagezaako okunoonyerezaako. Science Foundation College and Masters with discipline, knowledge and integrity, based on business sciences, the motto we lay our foundation. Let's work together, divided before, united we stand, we shall overcome. Let's go for a better utopian future. Science Foundation College and Masters with discipline, knowledge and integrity, based on business sciences, the motto we lay our foundation. You are expected to know the functions or parts of a microscope. Ebyo bwobimanyi eswano ogenda giyita bulungi kubanga banakweta microscope tokubanga omanyi okugikuba, kutumbula ebitundu byayo n'okumanya omugaso gw'ebitundu bya microscope. A drawing of a microscope we label eyepiece, coarse adjusting knob, fine adjusting knob, objective lens, stage, mirror, arm, and the base. Functions of parts of a microscope. Eyepiece is used to magnify object. Eyepiece wetekereza yambogeza specimen. Coarse adjusting knob and fine adjusting knob, they are used to focus the specimen. Tuyamba okulaba specimen clearly. Objective lens magnify a specimen. A stage is where I place the specimen in order to see it through a microscope. Stage koteka specimen okusobola okugiraba through a microscope. A mirror reflects light through a microscope to see the specimen clearly. The base followed the microscope. The base drawings. Drawings should have a title. A title tells us what the drawing is all about. 2. A complete outline. 3. A drawing should be neat. 4. A drawing should be done in pencil. Any drawing which is not in pencil is not marked. 5. A drawing should have a magnification. A magnification is the number of times a drawing is as big as the specimen. 6. Proportionality. Parts of the specimen should be drawn to relative sizes. Part entono ku object ogikubanga tono ku diagram. Part nene ku object ogikubanga nene ku diagram. For instance, if we draw this as the head and put these eyes are out of proportion, they are too big. Tukuba gononga gwe mutwe nteka gana amaso. Gana amaso gaba manene nnyo. Proportional eyes should be drawn like this. An example of a good drawing is a drawing of the thoracic vertebrate below. Note that it has got a complete outline, it has got a title, it is well labeled, it also has got a magnification. Edemere nine wange, edemere nina nange.